this is my end of season 2. I have to do a basically thorough cleaning of it, so when I store it for the winter, basically it's clean, there's no smells, there's no residue from any type of lake or river that I've been on. Sometimes I even go into creeks, depending on how high the water is. It's inflatable, so I find that it actually sits a little bit higher than the other. So I'm going to show you how to pump up this kayak. It took me about 10 minutes. Again, I've had this kayak for 2 years, so because you don't see what I'm pumping up in the video, I just thought I'd show you. They have these handy little gadgets where if you pump it, the air stays in. So if it takes you a second, all that hard work didn't end up being wasted. First and foremost, it's always important to have your boat kit on you. With safety comes your life jacket. Some may like to go out in their bare feet, but I found water shoes handy, or rubber boots. Oh, you're videoing.
I am? Oh my gosh, I am.
Now when taking apart, it's really easy because all you do is twist it off. And bam. Just like that. Remind everyone, hydrate. Make sure you take bottles of water when you're out there. Now let me clean this up so I can get a third season out of it.